Hello everyone, my name is Anushi HBA, student of the Bridgeside Institute in a batch of 17th of a Pharma. Today I will tell you about the history of a clinical trial. The first of the experiment of the syphilis study at the Tuskegee. The study of it against the humanity syphilis. They are the bacterial infection usually speared by unhealthy sexual contact. It was conducted by USPH America in 1932. The Tuskegee study of untreated sexual contact. It was the Narbo male. It is the Declaration of Helsinki. It is the National Research Act. It observes natural history of the group of 600 people, and it was the 399 people are infected and 201 people are not infected. For the participation promised free medical care, that are the never informed them of their syphilis diagnosis. They were told that they month it, but it was extended to 40. They were told promised free medical care, that they are receiving treatment for bad blood. Initially told experiment was only the 6 months, but they are extended to 40 years. But in 1947 syphilis understood for some people due to the entrance medical exam, that are the penicillin had a standard therapy for syphilis. It study research prevented their of men received penicillin treatment, but most of them did not take but they are end of the study in 1972. In 1972 only 74 of test subjects were still alive of the original 399 men, and 28 had died complements of 20 of their had been infected. Then the randomized control act. It is a scientific experiment that randomly design a participant into different group of a test, and then the efficacy of a treatment of investigation. It help to minimize the bias and the more reliable conclusion about cause and effect. First double blinded control. Then it trial took place in evaluation on treatment of a cold. Then is the then the third experiment is the Nuremberg trial in 1946 in a doctor trial. It is the 15 of 23 doctors found it was against humanity, and they include a study of twin studies, freezing response, malaria experiment, and mustard gas experiment, seawater experiment. The German physician and carried out a perform was unlawful of the experiment, killing the unworthy people used for without consent. Then elixir sulfonamide was an improperly prepared sulfonamide antibiotic that caused mass poisoning in the United States in 1937. It is believed to have killed more than 100 peoples. Then public outcry caused by this incident and other similar disaster lead to the then lead to the passing of the 1938 for a Federal Food, Drug and Cosmetic Act, which significantly increased the Food and Drug Administration powers to regulate drug. Then the fourth experiment is the 1938 Food, Drug Cosmetic Act. It is a set of law passed by the United States then Congress in 1938, giving authority of the U.S. Food and Drug Administration to oversee the safety and efficacy of the food, drug, medical device and the cosmetic effect.